So here we have two different kinds of identities and we need to find out one of the factors, okay, not both. So there are options and you have to tick on the correct option. So let's get started. We need to be a little patient with remembering the identities, okay. So x plus y can be written, okay, first x plus y and x plus y whole square. Can we do that? This is the power of 1 and this is 2, which means 1 plus 2 adds up to become 3. Alright. So these are the little tricks that you have to know about solving such sums. Here, when you factorize this x cube plus y cube, if you will recall, we write it as x plus y here, and then the other one is x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, remember, whenever there is a plus over here, x cube plus y cube, there will be a minus here. Whenever there is a minus here, there are no minus sign in the second factor of x cube plus y cube. Alright. So what next? So now that we have got two blocks, this is the first block, block 2. What is so common about these two? Obviously this and this. So we bring that out as common. What is left is this and this. Okay. So x plus y whole square. Okay. So students, don't rush. Okay. So be patient. Try to understand the whole thing. There will be a minus sign over here as we have in the main sum. And we bring down x square minus xy plus y square here. Got it? Close of curly bracket. Okay, my curly bracket is not very good looking, so please bear with me, students. Okay, learning to write curly brackets my way. So here, repetition of what we have here. Okay, here we need to simplify this, which means x square plus y square plus 2xy for this. Okay, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Alright. What about this? Simultaneously, we have to open up the bracket. So minus plus minus x square. Minus minus plus xy. Minus plus minus y square. Alright. So close bracket. So 2 minus, okay, and 2, okay, pluses. And they are similar terms, okay, algebraic expressions. So we can very easily cancel and we are therefore left with the two factors that we are looking for, which is 2xy plus 3xy. So 3xy is the answer that we are looking for in the options. All right.